Hello everyone. In continuation from the previous slide, this is module 3, Hatchery and Hatchery Management. Now the first thing to know about hatchery is water. Yes, that's because water is the environment of fish, and without water the fish cannot survive. It is important to have a full knowledge of the source of water, either fresh or salty, and to know about the costs of water. It is, however, advisable to understand that water availability is very important in hatchery, as water can get easily polluted, infected, and poor. Hence, the need to change water constantly is needed. We'll take a look at the water usage in hatchery in two broad aspects: water quantity and water quality. Water quantity. As a fish farmer, you really need to be aware of how much water can be available before setting up a hatchery for business. Water quantity and availability is one major factor that determines your success in the hatchery and hatchery management practices. Water quality. Water quality is referred to as the parameters that makes the water optimum for the fish health. Water quality is very important because it determines the growth and the well-being of the fish. To measure the water quality of the water being used for the hatchery purpose, you can either take it to the lab or use a home quality test kit. The following are the factors that affect water quality and standard measurement of application. Number one is the pH. The pH measures the level of acidity and alkalinity of a water. The standard of pH of a water that is optimum for the health of a fish is 7, also called the neutral pH. The pH of water for good growth and well-being varies from 6.5 to 8.5. Now, when the water for use is too acidic, you need to buffer the water solution by simply adding a basic compound that will neutralize the acidity. Examples of basic compounds that can be used are agric lime, slake lime, soda lime, dolomites, calcium carbonate, sodium bicarbonate, and sodium chloride. Dissolved oxygen. The standard level of dissolved oxygen that must be present in your water must be 5 mg per liter. Oxygen is a very important factor when it comes to water quality. Very important. As oxygen is important to humans, so it is to fish. The fish cannot take up oxygen in the air, but the oxygen that is readily available in the water is called dissolved oxygen. That is what you use for continuous respiration. We'll continue in the last slide.